Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to add Snapchat link to TikTok. For example, if you want to provide your Snapchat link to TikTok user so that TikTok user can also connect to you by using your Snapchat, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on edit profile. After that, you have to click on edit bio, and in bio you can provide here all of your details. And after providing the details, you can also mention here your username on Snapchat. After providing your username on Snapchat, people will connect to you through Snapchat. In this way you can connect your TikTok to your Snapchat, and people will contact you through your TikTok to your Snapchat. But make sure that you provide your Snapchat username on top of your bio so that people can easily see that and connect to you through TikTok. In this way you can link your TikTok to Snapchat. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.